5G and private 5G networks are playing a transformative role in manufacturing. They offer reliable, low-latency connectivity that powers AI-enabled advanced automation, real-time data analytics, and seamless IoT integration, ultimately boosting efficiency, productivity, and innovation. With reliable, low-latency communication, 5G can help enable real-time control of machines, robotics, and AI-enabled automation systems. This is critical in precision manufacturing, where delays can affect quality, safety, and output. Private 5G networks also empower large-scale IoT deployments, connecting thousands of sensors and devices across a facility, enhanced by edge computing and real-time AI analytics. This connectivity enables better monitoring, predictive maintenance, and automation, helping to reduce downtime and increase operational efficiency. Private 5G networks give manufacturers greater control over their infrastructure. By keeping data on site, they help to enhance cybersecurity and help manufacturers meet their compliance requirements, all while reducing reliance on public networks. Looking ahead, private 5G networks will fuel smart factories with real-time, data-driven decision-making, scalable and customized production, remote collaboration, and safer work environments. Ultimately, these technologies offer manufacturing enormous potential with the reliable, low-latency connectivity needed to power robotics, industrial IoT, and high-precision processes.